That spoonful of sugar in your coffee might seem simple, but its story is anything but. Each crystal has traveled a long, complex path before it sweetens your morning brew. It all starts in a sun-baked field, where rows of towering sugarcane stretch as far as the eye can see. These lush, green stalks thrive in tropical climates, soaking up months of sunlight and rain before they're ready for harvest. When the time is right, modern harvesters, giant, rumbling machines, move through the fields. They slice, chop, and load the cane with brutal efficiency, replacing the backbreaking manual labor of the past. Timing is everything. Once cut, the cane's sugar content starts to drop rapidly, so it's loaded onto trucks and rushed to the mill, sometimes within just a few hours of harvest. At the mill, mountains of cane are unloaded and washed thoroughly to remove dirt, leaves, and any lingering debris from the fields. Clean cane means purer sugar. Next, the cleaned stalks are fed into powerful shredders, massive hammers that pulverize the cane, turning it into a fibrous, pulpy mess. This process is loud, fast, and absolutely essential. At this stage, it's not about extracting juice just yet. The goal is to break down the tough plant fibers, making it easier to release every drop of sweetness in the next step. The noise and power inside the mill are immense. Conveyor belts whir, machines thunder, and the air is thick with the scent of fresh cane. It's all about prepping the cane for maximum sugar extraction. Every step is a race against time to preserve the cane's natural sweetness. Workers and machines move in a carefully choreographed dance, making sure nothing is wasted. From field to factory, it's a gritty, high-speed operation that combines human skill with industrial muscle. And now, the real transformation is just beginning. The journey from raw cane to refined sugar is underway. Next, we squeeze out the sweet stuff, the very essence of sugarcane, ready for the next stage of its remarkable journey. The shredded cane is fed through a series of heavy steel rollers, which are designed to crush the cane and extract its juice. This process is essential in breaking down the tough fibers of the sugarcane. These industrial ringers squeeze out every drop of juice, ensuring maximum extraction efficiency. The rollers apply immense pressure to the cane, forcing the juice out. Each pass through the rollers extracts more juice, while the leftover fiber, known as bagasse, moves on for further processing. Bagasse is often used as a biofuel or in the production of paper and building materials. Water is sprayed over the crushed cane to wash out the last bits of sugar, ensuring that no valuable juice is left behind. This step helps in maximizing the yield. The extracted juice is then tested in the lab for sugar content. Using a polarimeter, scientists measure the concentration of sugar to ensure quality and consistency. Before purification, the juice undergoes treatment with sulfur dioxide. This chemical process bleaches the juice from brown to yellow and prevents bacterial growth, ensuring the juice remains safe and clean. This chemical step is crucial for producing white sugar, which is the final product desired by consumers. The bleaching process is a key part of refining the juice. The entire process is sticky, fast, and precise. The machinery is designed to handle large volumes of cane juice efficiently, ensuring a smooth operation. Only the purest juice moves forward in the production line. Quality control is essential to ensure that the juice meets the required standards. Now, it's time to clarify and concentrate the juice, preparing it for the final stages of sugar production. This step is crucial for achieving the desired consistency and quality of the final product. The juice is mixed with lime to neutralize acidity and clump impurities. In giant clarifiers, gravity separates the sludge from the clear juice. The clean juice, still mostly water, heads to massive evaporators. Boiling removes water, concentrating the sugar. Each stage uses lower pressure to save energy and protect the sugar. The result, a thick golden syrup, about 60% sugar. One last clarification removes fine sediment. Rotating paddles skim off any lingering impurities. Now, the syrup is ready for the magic of crystallization. From muddy juice to golden syrup, the transformation is nearly complete. Next, we turn liquid gold into crystals. Crystallization happens in vacuum pans, where syrup is seeded with tiny sugar crystals. Boiling under vacuum encourages sugar to form solid crystals without burning. Operators carefully control conditions to grow perfect crystals. The result, a thick paste called massacute. Sugar crystals suspended in molasses. Centrifuges spin the massacute, flinging out molasses and leaving behind pure crystals. A final water spray washes the crystals clean. The sugar is scraped out, ready for drying. From sticky syrup to sparkling crystals, this is where sugar takes its final form. The process is fast, precise, and mesmerizing. But there's more to sugar than just sweetness. Nothing goes to waste in a sugar mill. Bagasse, the leftover fiber, is burned to power the factory. Filter mud, rich in nutrients, is returned to the fields as fertilizer. Molasses, the dark syrup spun off the crystals, becomes animal feed, rum, or ethanol. Every byproduct has a purpose, fueling a closed-loop system. This efficiency is both smart business and sustainability in action. The industry turns one crop into energy, fertilizer, feed, and of course, sugar. It's a model of resourcefulness. Even the waste helps grow the next harvest. The cycle is as sweet as the product itself. The sugar crystals, fresh from the centrifuge, are carefully dried in giant rotating drums. These massive dryers gently tumble the crystals, ensuring that every grain reaches the perfect moisture level. This step is crucial, as it prevents clumping and preserves the sugar's sparkling texture. The result is a product that's not only beautiful to look at, but also ideal for storage and transport. The mill produces both raw sugar, with its rich golden hue and subtle molasses flavor, and refined white sugar, prized for its purity and versatility. Each type has its own unique taste, color, and culinary uses, catering to a wide range of preferences and recipes around the world. Packaging is a high-speed marvel. Automated machines fill, seal, and box thousands of bags every single day. The process is a blur of precision engineering, with each bag weighed and checked for quality before it leaves the line. This ensures that only the best sugar makes it to consumers. Bulk bags, weighing hundreds of kilograms, are destined for food manufacturers and bakeries, while smaller, neatly packaged bags are prepared for store shelves and home kitchens. This careful sorting helps meet the needs of both industry and everyday families. This facility is a powerhouse, capable of processing hundreds of tons of sugar every day. From the arrival of raw cane to the final packaged product, the scale and efficiency are truly impressive. From field to bag, the journey is fast, efficient, and precise. Every step is monitored and optimized to ensure the highest quality and minimal waste. Behind every grain of sugar is a dedicated team, engineers, technicians, and workers, combining cutting-edge technology with generations of tradition. Their expertise and commitment make this process possible. So, the next time you sweeten your coffee or sprinkle sugar on your cereal, take a moment to appreciate the epic journey behind that tiny spoonful. It's a story of hard work, innovation, and care. From the first cut of cane to the final packaging, it's a story of grit, innovation, and a little bit of magic that brings sweetness to your life. And that's how sugar, in all its forms, makes its way from the fields to your table, ready to add a touch of sweetness to every moment.